Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable HTTPS only mode in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This feature forces Edge to always try loading websites using secure HTTPS connections instead of HTTP, which provides your privacy and security. So let's get started. First open Edge browser and then click on this one triple dot menu in the top right corner, and from the drop down menu select settings. Under settings select privacy, search and services in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar click on security. Now you need to turn on automatically switch to more secure connections with automatic HTTPS. After turning this one toggle on, you can choose either alerts you about insecure public site. This is default setting. Otherwise you can also opt for alerts for about insecure public and private sites. That's it. Now Microsoft Edge will automatically try to upgrade websites from HTTP to HTTPS. If a website does not support HTTPS, Edge will display a warning before loading it. This helps protect your browsing from insecure connections. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.